Shri Bhagwati presents double-side labeling machine. A double-side labeling machine is a type of industrial machinery used for applying labels to both sides of a product or container simultaneously. These machines are commonly used in industries like packaging, food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and more, where products require labeling on both their front and back sides. These machines are designed to streamline the labeling process, increase efficiency, and maintain consistent labeling quality across products. Depending on the specific needs of a business, there are various models and types of double-side labeling machines available, ranging from semi-automatic to fully automatic systems. Overall, double-side labeling machines enhance labeling efficiency and consistency across products. Different models are available, catering to specific business requirements, from semi-automatic to fully automatic systems. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.